Hi everybody, my name is Jeff Blick. I'm the West Coast and Upper Midwest Business Development Manager for APsystems, and I'm really happy to be here in the Center, Washington, looking at this solar plus storage solution. So let's take a quick look around at this system. As you can see, we've got 15 solar panels connected to 8 DS3L inverters. The inverters are coming down in 2 circuits, 4 inverters each. The wiring is coming down through the roof, through the eave, down into a combiner box. And then they also have a disconnect and a production meter there per local codes. Welcome to the AP storage solution. Relatively straightforward in the amount of parts that you need. There's only 2. The first one is this guy right here. This is an 11.4, what we call a PCS, power control system. This is a 48 volt AC coupled battery inverter that can output 11,400 watts of power at any given time, and it can surge to well above 11,400 watts to get motor load started. The PCS is connected to our 10 kilowatt hour battery here. This is a 48 volt lithium iron phosphate battery. The other side of this system is this guy right here. This is a 200 amp rated transfer switch. And right here, we have a 60 amp rated fuse disconnect. So coming out of the 11.4 PCS for the utility connection comes through the PCS, lands inside this disconnect, and then from this disconnect, it goes to a line side tap at the top of this transfer switch right here. So that's the grid side of this system. The backup side of this system comes out of the PCS, lands on the normally open side of the transfer switch. And so when the grid goes down, the transfer switch is going to transfer power from the utility to the PCS, and the PCS is going to provide all that power straight to their 200 amp main electrical panel. Now it's important to know that this is one way that you can wire this system with an automatic transfer switch in it. We could take away this automatic transfer switch and this line side tap with this 60 amp fuse disconnect, and we could do what you normally do. You take the grid side of this, connect it to your 200 amp electrical panel. Maybe that's done by a line side tap if you're running out of ampacity in your panel. But if you do it that way, when the grid goes down, the off-grid output from the PCS will go to a traditional backed up loads panel that would contain all of the circuit breakers that you want to have power when the grid is down. So when you're using a backed up loads panel, the PCS acts as your transfer switch. Well, this is just a single battery system. I want you all to be aware that up to 16 of these 10 kilowatt hour batteries can be connected to one power conversion system. Hope you enjoyed the tour, and we'll be back soon with some more information for you. Looking forward to it.